A soft orange glow appears, then red, then yellow, like a painting. This is the farm waking up slow. It is quiet. You can hear just the wind, and maybe a far-off bird. The air is cool and fresh. Dew covers all the green grass. It shines like tiny diamonds. The world feels new. Soon the sun will be fully up. It will warm everything. But for now, this quiet is special. It is a moment just for us, before the noise and the sweat begin. First job, always the animals. They do not wait. They get hungry. The cows moo for their breakfast, loudly. Chickens cluck, pigs oink. They all know it is feeding time. It is a chorus of hungry sounds. So, we get to it. No delay. They count on us every single day. We give them fresh food, clean water, happy chickens lay good eggs. Healthy soil means healthy plants. The sun is high in the sky now. It is getting warmer. The quiet morning is long gone. Now it is time for the big jobs. The jobs that take muscle, and sometimes big machines. This is when the real sweat starts. Today we are working a new field. First we need to till the land. The tractor is our good friend here. It pulls the tiller. Big metal teeth dig into the earth. They break up the hard soil. This prepares a soft bed for seeds. After tilling, it is planting time. We are planting corn this season. Section 4. Harvest joy, from our land to our table. Let's imagine it is harvest time, maybe for our corn, or tomatoes, or perhaps green beans today. The plants are full, ripe, ready. This is the moment we wait for. All that work, all that waiting. Now,